Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was down a little bit over 0.8% today. I really want to emphasize kind of what we're doing to protect the money right now. Starting 3 weeks ago, we started to reduce the amount of exposure to the stock market and the bond market. We took out 44% of the stock market exposure and put it in T-bills and the ETFs and ultra short-term bond ETFs for now. Hopefully, it won't be for very long. Kind of waiting for this market to bottom out and get a chance to maybe come in at a lower point. We're only 2.5% above the low for the year, which was established back in the middle of June. Looks pretty likely like we're going to go down and test that. Hopefully we bounce off of that and then we can just go on our way. But if we don't, we could fall farther. So that's why we're taking these defensive positions. We did some additional motions today to put more money into the T-bill ETFs and ultra short-term bond ETFs, and we moved some money into a inverse position, moves the opposite direction of the S&P 500. So if the market continues down, we actually make money on that particular piece. And so we'll see how this plays out. But again, we're not changing legacy positions. People that have told me they want certain things to be held, and we're also not changing high capital gains situations either. We're kind of holding on to those, see how this plays out. So otherwise, we've made these changes across the board, across our models and what have you. Again, we are trying to protect the assets in an environment where we're, a little uncertain about what's going to be happening here. The Federal Reserve has kind of changed the game here with this last announcement yesterday, talking about projecting raising rates to a higher amount than the market expected. So this is going to have potentially some impact on company earnings and households and what have you too. So we need to see how this is going to play out as far as that goes and make sure that we're careful here. I think there's more risk to the downside than there is to the upside. And so we're just trying to be, cautious as far as that goes. So that's what's happening. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. If you can join me on my show, Talk Money with Tom on YouTube. The first part of the show, I cover a summary for what I see happening for the week. You can send in questions and, be able to answer them live on the show and look forward to seeing you then. Thank you very much.